Hello, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers. Here conducting a repair test for Francisco Ramirez, I believe, or Ramirez. We're the chosen contractor for the job. I'll be removing this shingle right here with obvious wind damage and replacing it with this architectural. This obviously is a 3-tab shingle and it is discontinued, so we couldn't find the shingle that would match. So that alone right there is an automatic fail, but I'll conduct a repair test as required. I'll have to remove the nails from this shingle and this shingle to be able to reinstall that one. All right, here we go. As you can see, the dimensions are way off. This is overlapping quite a bit. And also, it's about a 1/4 inch longer than the shingle 3-tab. So, automatic fail right there. Right. So just installing the shingles, we got a little bit of crack creasing along here, granuloss, and then more on this because I had to fasten nails in there, so cracking and creasing right there. These shingles are pretty brittle, but they're pretty stiff, so it did damage the shingles above it as I was installing this shingle. As you can see, just to get that nail right there. So same thing with that one right there, those two, even up here. So with that, I would say this is a failed repair test. Obviously they're discontinued, but alongside that, the the shingles were damaged in the repair process. So you will damage any other shingles on this roof if you try to repair it. All right, well, that is all. Thank you for your time.